like, subscribe, and get notified.
Chief Secretary Dr. V. Kandavella called an interdepartmental meeting along with stakeholders to discuss challenges and collaborative solutions for Goa's tourism sector. The meeting sought to streamline administrative procedures, enhance tourist facilities across departments, and improving the overall visitor experience in the state. Departments were asked to provide their inputs to facilitate effective decision-making and implementation.
The three pertinent issues which were really taken up and which affect Goa is, one is waste management. We've seen that beaches have improved with waste management. However, approach roads, there's an issue. So the panchayats were directed to see how they can work on keeping the approach roads clean. With regard to shacks and other things, with recent security issues, I think tourism department and the police will coordinate in a more effective manner to see that things are calmed down and managed in a better way. And a lot of other issues were discussed, but and there'll be a follow-up meeting, I think, after some time to see how to manage this better.
Okay, what about the said the incident happening every day? So what was the discussion about?
So like I said, this was a policy meeting. It was specific issues were not discussed, but wherever there have been issues, tourism department and the police, which is basically the one which has enforcement powers, will work together to ensure that things are managed in a better way.
There was a proposal to give QR code and ID card to the shack owners.
Yes, so I think that is a the staff have already supposed to be identified and give their details. I think they were. It was not discussed in detail, but it was there on the agenda, and they said they will work on it. Specific timeline was not given, but they'll work on it.
Okay. So henceforth the ID cards and QR code will
should be issued by when, I do not know.
Another key issue which was brought up is single window for weddings and MICE related events. So there will be a follow-up meeting with the CS along with the Department of Tourism and other departments which has to take place, so that there can be a proper system in place to get permission for weddings and corporates and MICE events in Goa, which is absolutely integral industry for tourism in Goa. So that is another key point, other than taxis and garbage, which was tackled, and we hope to get progress at least in the next 1 to 2 months at least.
Any charges for wedding destination?
So that will be discussed also, but the main thing is the streamlining of process. Right now, if you want to have an event, you have to go to almost 6 to 7 different departments. So now there should be a single or at least 2 points where you can get your permission. So that is what proposal we have given. The previous director of tourism was working on it. We are trying to take it forward and reach a conclusion